In this video, I will show you how to turn on and off Samsung Galaxy phone without pressing any button. We usually press the power button to turn on and turn off. But now there's a new way how to turn on and off Samsung Galaxy without pressing any button. Let me show you how. Go to Settings, scroll down, and click where it says Advanced Features. Click now Motions and Gestures. Make sure to turn on these two buttons. Double tap Turn On Screen and double tap to turn off screen. And now we go back. When I double tap, it will turn off the screen. And when I double tap again, it will turn on the screen. Like and subscribe.